what's up, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, hi, this is Shreyashi and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a very important skincare product, which is chemical peeling solution, which is extremely trending nowadays. But chemical peeling solution is actually very tricky to use. You need to know lots of things about chemical peeling solution and what is this and what is the benefit. There are so many misconceptions around there about chemical peeling solutions. So in today's video I'm going to clear out every single thing, and also I will suggest you what chemical peeling solution you need to try. So I think this video will be really informative. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first you need to know about the difference between chemical peeling and normal scrubber. Normal scrubber is not good for skin at all. Like if you use scrubber on your face, it can give you like minor scratch on your face, and that can lead fine lines and wrinkles. But many people actually don't know about this, especially charcoal scrubber and papaya scrubber is so bad for your skin, you guys. So if you want scrubber, like if you are under 18, so try to use basin, normal basin, and if you are above 18, try chemical peeling solution, which is advanced skincare. But there are actually so many chemical peeling solution around market. So what you need to try, there are so different products, but my favorite one is this one. This is Saturn peeling solution. It has 25% AHA, 2% BHA and 5% PHA. I am gonna tell you what is the benefits of this AHA, BHA and PHA and why you need this product in this video. So what is chemical peeling solution? Chemical peeling solution is basically a scrub, but not your regular scrub. This product not only helps to remove dead skin from your face, like top surface, also this product helps to penetrate deep into your skin and ये अंदर से भी clear करता है. So this is not your regular serum जो आप रात पे या दिन पे इस्तेमाल करते हो, overnight इसे छोड़ देते हो. No, you need to use it in certain ways, which I will definitely tell you. But let me introduce this product to you first. So this AHA, BHA and PHA, this trio helps to exfoliate the top layer of your skin, and also it helps to rejuvenate the skin. So there are so many benefits of peeling solution. Like this peeling solution helps to minimize your wrinkles. It helps to remove your dark spot, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation around your mouth, acne scars, and also it actually helps to even out your textured skin, and it helps to remove your dead skin from your face. Chemical peeling solution is like a advanced skin care or advanced skin treatment जो आप घर पे ही कर सकते हो. Okay, so now I will tell you the correct way to apply this product. So first you need to wash your face with your face wash, which is very common thing, and then dry your face, and after drying your face, apply this serum on your face except the eye area, because our eye area is extremely sensitive and our mouth area too. Like do not apply this serum on your lips and around your eye area. These two section is like our very sensitive. So apply this on all over your face like serum, not like massage. Like just apply it on your face. I will show you the application, so you will get the better idea. And after applying this product, leave it for maximum 8 to 10 minutes, not more than that. Do not apply it on your face like more than 10 minutes. Maximum you can apply it like 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes just rinse your face with normal water. You don't need to use any face wash or anything. Just remove this with like normal water, and then uske baad moisturizer, which is very important. This product has AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid. It helps to remove dead skin cells and it unclogs pores to reveal fresh skin. Next it has BHA, which is beta hydroxy acid. It deeply penetrates into your skin and helps to dry out excess oil. Lastly it has PHA, which is polyhydroxy acid. It has soothing benefit while being gentle enough on your skin and cause no irritation and gives smooth skin. So you have seen the application, which is extremely easy, but I will suggest you before applying it on your face, do a patch test around here, because it's extremely important for any kind of skincare product. Do a patch test, then only apply it on your face. But I can guarantee you that you're gonna love this product, because it's actually like a skincare treatment in just a bottle, which is extremely affordable. So don't forget to try it. And as usual, I have a coupon code for you, which is flashing over on the screen right now, and I'm gonna give like all the details, all the links in the description box, so don't forget to check that. And if you purchase their product from their own website, and if you use this code, like you will get a flat 20% discount on like all over their products. So I think it's like a steal the deal kind of a thing. So definitely try this, and I promise you that you are going to love. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you have loved this and find something useful, and I can promise you that if you start using this chemical peeling solution, there is no way back. You are gonna love this product. And if you have any confusion about this product, you can comment down below. I am like ready to here to give you like answer for anything and everything. So yeah, see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay safe. Bye bye.